Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make soft avocado ice candy. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 2 ripe avocados, 1 can of condensed milk, and 1 can of evaporated milk. Make sure your avocados are perfectly soft for that wonderfully creamy texture. Also, have your ice candy bags or molds ready for the next steps. Now, let's create that luscious base. Carefully scoop the creamy flesh from your 2 ripe avocados into a blender. Next, pour in the full can of condensed milk and the entire can of evaporated milk. Blend everything together until the mixture is perfectly smooth and completely free of any lumps. This ensures a delightful, consistent texture. With your creamy mixture ready, it's time to fill the ice candy bags. Carefully pour the avocado blend into each bag, leaving about 1 inch of space at the top. This space is crucial for tying the bags securely. Once all bags are filled, place them in the freezer for at least 4 to 6 hours, or until they are completely firm. Finally, the best part, enjoying your homemade soft avocado ice candy. Simply take a piece directly from the freezer and savor its creamy, refreshing taste. This delightful treat is perfect for cooling down on a warm day. Any remaining ice candy can be stored in the freezer for up to 2 weeks, ready whenever you crave a sweet, cool bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.